Hi and welcome to SFX60, your go-to source for quick, practical Salesforce solutions in under 60 seconds. My name is Aria. At SFX60, we simplify complex Salesforce problems with smart tips you can use right away. No fluff, just results. Let's jump into today's solution to help you work smarter with Salesforce. Got a user saying, "I can't see the record, but I swear it was there yesterday." Classic Salesforce. Let's fix it. Step 1. Check their profile. Does it even have access to the object? Step 2. Go to Setup, Object Settings. If Read isn't checked, they're flying blind. Step 3. Still no access? Open their permission sets. Maybe access is granted there instead. Step 4. Use User Access Summary, Beta, to quickly see what's granting or blocking access. Bonus tip. Use field level security too. They might see the record but not the field. Boom. Mystery solved. John's back in action, and you look like a hero. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more 60-second Salesforce solutions, and drop a comment with your questions or topics you'd like to see next. Remember, this is a high-level solution to help guide your approach. Deeper configuration may be needed for complex scenarios. See you in the next one. Stay sharp with SFX60.